Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful granny square. So let's get started. Okay, in magic ring we make chain 3. Chain 3 count as a double crochet and we make 11 more double crochet into the magic ring. So at the end of this round we got total 12 double crochet. We finish our 12 double crochet and here we do our invisible join. Cut the yarn, pull the thread, insert the thread into the needle, and now insert the needle into the first double crochet, not in chain 3, first double crochet, and again insert the yarn in last double crochet back loop. So in this granny square, at the end of the round, every end of the round we do invisible join. Okay, for round 2 we change the color, insert the hook in any of the stitch, make a chain 3. Chain 3 count as a double crochet and we make one double crochet in the same stitch. In round 2 we make 2 double crochet in every stitch. So total we got 24 double crochet into this round. Now we finished our round 2. Insert the hook in any of the stitch and make chain 3. Chain 3 count as a double crochet. So here we make our first corner, one more double crochet in same stitch, chain 2, 2 double crochet in same stitch. Now we make 1/2 double crochet in next 2 stitches. One single crochet in next, and again 1/2 double crochet in next 2 stitches. Now again we make our corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in same stitch. Now again 1/2 double crochet in next 2 stitches. One single crochet in next and 1/2 double crochet in next 2 stitches. And again we make a corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in same stitch. So we repeat this pattern until we reach to the end. 5 double crochet, chain 2, 5 double crochet in corner. So insert the hook in any corner, make chain 3, chain 3 count as a double crochet, 4 double crochet, so including chain 3 it's total 5 double crochet, chain 2, and make 5 more double crochet in same space. So here is our first corner. Now we skip one stitch and make one single crochet into the next stitch. Chain 2, skip one stitch, and again we make 1 single crochet in next stitch. Now again we skip one and we make our other corner 5 double crochet, chain 2, 5 double crochet in chain space. Now we skip one stitch and make 1 single crochet, chain 2, skip one stitch and make 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Now again we skip one stitch and we make our corner into the next corner space. 5 double crochet, chain 2, 5 double crochet. Again we skip one stitch, make 1 single crochet into the next, chain 2, skip one stitch, make 1 single crochet into the next, and into the corner we make our corner 5 double crochet, 2 chain, 5 double crochet in same space. So we repeat this procedure until we reach to the end. Okay, now we reach to the end of this round. We do invisible join, cut the yarn, pull the loop, insert the yarn to the needle and make invisible join in first double crochet, not in chain 3 here, and insert the hook into the last single crochet back loop. So we complete our round 4. Okay, now we finish our round 4. For round 5, insert the hook in any of the corner, chain 1, and we make 1 single crochet, chain 1 single crochet in same space. Okay, now we make 1 single crochet in every stitches until we reach to the chain 2 space here. Okay, in chain 2 spaces we make 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet. Okay, now we make 1 single crochet until we reach to the top of the corner. In corner we make 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. Now again we make 1 single crochet until we reach to the chain 2 space. In chain 2 space 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet in chain space, same chain space. Now we repeat this pattern until we reach to the end. Okay, now we reach to the end of this round. Slip stitch into the first single crochet, chain 1 and fasten off. You can also do an invisible join if you want. So here is your granny square. Thanks for watching.